Okay, hello, hi, and welcome to my channel, it's for Linux. Now, what I have here is a microscope, a compound microscope, and it takes here, the input here is those eyepieces, okay, those small eyepieces. Those are of diameter, the barrel size, or in this size, like the way I'm holding it, like this. Okay, from those tips, from those edges, is 23.2 millimeters. This is the standard in making microscopes. And this input here, as if you want to see, just for you to know, so I can install this over here. Okay. Okay, so this is a 23.2 millimeters. So here, same thing of this one. Okay, I can install it over here. So now I'm more of a telescope fan. Okay, I like telescopes more. Okay, so once I bought those 2-inch eyepieces. Okay, this is the 2-inch eyepieces. You can see it's a very huge one compared to this one. Okay, see, so why not? You can still use the telescope eyepieces, but you need a converter or some kind of adapter. So from 2-inch to 23 millimeters, 0.2 of course, there isn't. So what I'm hiding behind my back is this. This is an adapter, this is a converter. I custom made it, not myself, I just ordered it, okay, from somebody. Okay, see, it's okay, you can see the hole, okay, my finger. So this one I made it from stainless steel, but I think but this is what was available. Okay, it should be from aluminium to make it lighter, okay, not heavy and weight, okay, but it just works. So I can just simply add this like this. Okay, let's go on top. And we're going to take pictures normally with it. So I can just simply add this. Okay, now before I start doing that, earlier or day before, I have this, I mean, as a fact, I'm talking, okay. So as a fact, I have already from telescope stuff, I have this is from a 2-inch to a 1.25 inch. This is an adapter, similar adapter in shape, almost in the shape, same functionality, see, but one is thinner than the other. Okay, so here you need some kind of adaptation from this to this. Here this is at 1.25 to a T adapter. This is a T adapter, T2 even, T2 adapter. Here the T2 is, as you can see, I can unscrew it. Okay, and the screw threads here, the female screw threads or the screw threads here from the T2 is M42. Okay, so what you need is to do what I've done, okay, in order to get 2-inch eyepieces work on microscope. However, as you can see, the focus or the length like between the normal eyepiece, like for example this is an eyepiece, if you use it, you have this the spacing, okay, will increase if you put something like this. So this is something that will increase this, so the eyepiece will move from here up to here, okay, up to here. Of course you won't be putting this one, of course, but it will go that far, okay, for a 2-inch eyepiece. So that's why I can still use this, no problem, but I will be losing lots of space, and the focusing from below, okay, from here by the stage, okay, will be, you know, shorter, won't be like, you can't move this the stage a lot higher because of the objective lenses and because of this, of course, and even this. You know, it has the screw like this, okay, and then you can just put this to go deeper down. Okay. If you'd like to sing Jamiroquai's okay, song Space Cowboy, because we go deeper, you know, uses this word. So it will make it a little bit shorter, yes. Okay, not much of course, but we'll make it shorter. And even so, even if I do that, see, I'll just gain 1 centimeter, it's okay. But even if I do that, it's still tall, okay, it's still that long, okay, so you don't need that. So all we need to do is something like moving it like this, okay. I'm just trying to gain that distance, okay, and just like this, and then we can just simply put this, okay. Now I will have to, there's a screw over here, although it's not necessary with the microscopes, but it's good to have, okay. Even here I think I need a screw, but no problem. So here we have all this, okay. This is heavy, by the way, because it's stainless steel, okay. Now you will have to custom order this, okay. There isn't online at all at the time of this recording. You cannot find it, I'm pretty sure, okay. It will be very hard for you to find it. Even if you found it, like, tell me, but there isn't. I've been like for 3 days, 4 days of looking, and even I was looking for something that, for example, there's not even at least something like a T2, but here it has M48, not M42. Here the threads here are M48 for the 2-inch threads, you know, 2-inch filter. The 2-inch filter can sit inside here, but maybe like I wish they make something like this T2 and sits. Let's see. Okay, let's make it directly sit. It doesn't need a cup. The cup is already there. I mean the cup upside there. Okay, so it doesn't. Something like this sits like this. Okay, side. Okay, so have they make something like this? They need just a step down ring. Okay, that does it. That's all. So, but what I tried to find, hardly I tried to find. I couldn't. Okay, and there's some kind of mistrust. What I can see online, there's some kind of rings, but I just can't see. The one that I found is very expensive to me to get. Okay, very expensive because of the shipping. There you'll be paying 3 times nowadays for its shipping. Okay, because of the crisis in Lebanon. So yeah. Now, anyways, we're gonna take a picture using this eyepiece. Okay, from the top. We can still use it here, no problem. See, but you know, because of the weights. Okay, let's fasten it like this. You can still use it because of the weight. This will bend. Okay, because this is a binocular that bends. Okay, let's show you. So you can bend it. Okay, so it will bend because of the weight. So here, it will bend anyway. Like, okay, this time maybe, but it's now. I'm telling you, it will bend someday. Okay. So let's go back to the here. I'm gonna move the telephone. First, we have to install this System XYZ for mobile phone holders. Okay, it's a mobile phone holder. I mean, it can take 1.25 inches and the 1.2 and the 2 inches, 1.25 inches and the 2 inches, and also it can take the microscope. The microscope eyepieces, but you'll have to put a rubber. You have to put a rubber, not a rudder, of course. Okay. So yeah, so I have to just a little bit take it like this. Okay, just look it up, find it. It's a System XYZ, around $40 it costs. Okay. Let me tell you something that it's preferred not to put it. Leave it for so long. Okay, underneath the sun. Okay, you will hurt it. Okay, you will lose it. I lost it a little bit. So yeah, let's see. There is a receipt paper on the okay. Here I have a receipt paper. Okay. We're gonna see how the ink is printed on that paper. Okay. I know maybe you'd love to see something biological, but I don't have. Okay, maybe somebody will tell you, oh, go outside, get something like an onion or something. It doesn't matter. This is easier. This is even cleaner, by the way. Okay, getting biological stuff will make things filthy. This is what I noticed. So I did not put that into my account anyway. Okay. So yeah, so let's go, and we're going to switch the camera to the other side. Okay, let's move over here. Okay, come on, baby, come on. See, you are seeing the eyepiece. See. Let's go and use it. Okay. Let's move the. I'm actually trying to find where the lens is. Okay, here. So this is it, and we'll have also to zoom in. Let's zoom in. We'll have to zoom in, it's important. Now I have also to change the I have to change how far the phone should be away from the lens so you can see it in full view, okay? In complete view, because you are moving, or you have an opening of 2" going towards an opening of 23 millimeters, which is half diameter almost, okay? Half diameter, because 2" is almost like 52 millimeters, and you have 23 millimeters, so I'm saying almost half. So this is it, and gonna just zoom in, change the focusing inside the microscope. Okay, I'm using, I think I should use a 4 times eyepiece. This is a 25 millimeter eyepiece from the telescope, and this is I changed the objective lenses to be on 4x. Okay, we can just, okay, here, and let's change it. Okay, so things like specs and things like that. This is letter A. You can see letter A from the paper, from the receipt paper. Okay, I think we just move it a little bit from ourselves because not everything will be showing. So this is letter A. Okay. Let's try something else. See, this is 10 times. Let's see 10 times. Okay, so we're gonna zoom more. No, we cannot move the lens anymore any farther. Yeah, this is it. Oh, cool. Cool, great. Okay, so we have moved on more. Okay, let's see whether we can go further a lot in this. I'm lowering the stage, trying to see what can we gain from a 25 millimeter eyepiece 2". Okay, now I have to go back and zoom. Okay, let's do the specs. Doesn't matter. I'm just trying to show you, okay, how a 25mm eyepiece 2-inch will work on. Okay. Okay, let's focus this part. Okay. Yeah, so that's it. So, you know, as you can see, this is me from the top of the eyepiece. So enjoy. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my channel, and yeah, if you want something like this, contact me. Okay. If you want some parts, some adapter like that, please contact me. Okay. Thanks for watching. Bye.